Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up on Bybit using your phone, how to add funds to your account, and how to place your first futures trade step by step. Each step is explained clearly, so even beginners can follow along comfortably. Let's begin with creating your Bybit account. Please install the Bybit app on your phone. Once installation is complete, open the app. On the home screen, tap Sign Up Login to get started. Then tap Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll now be prompted to choose your nationality. After selecting it, tap Register Now at the bottom. You can register using either your email address or phone number. In the Referral Code section, enter SKY333 to receive a 20% fee discount and extra bonus rewards. Once the code is entered, you'll see a message confirming that exclusive rewards are activated. At the bottom, check the agreement box, then tap Sign Up Now to continue. To complete the security check, slide the puzzle to the right. After that, enter the verification code sent to you. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long. It should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers as well. Once the password is set, tap Sign Up Now. Your Bybit account has now been successfully created. Next, let's move on to identity verification. To access deposits, withdrawals, and trading features, identity verification is required. Tap Verify My Identity to begin. First, select the country you currently live in. Then proceed to the ID verification step. Choose the type of identification you'll use. For this example, I'll select a passport. Prepare your ID and tap Continue. Tap Continue once more to proceed. Position your passport in the frame and capture a clear photo of the information page. Next, you'll move on to facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Move your face and blink as instructed to complete the process. This completes your identity verification submission. After about 1 hour of review, your verification will be approved. Now, let's secure your account. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. Open the security menu. We'll protect the account using Google 2FA. Tap Activate to begin the setup. If prompted, complete email or phone verification. You'll now see the Google Authenticator setup screen. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone, and tap Continue in the Bybit app. A setup key will appear on the screen. Copy the setup key shown here. Next, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, select Enter a setup key. For the account name, enter Bybit, paste the setup key into the key field. You'll now see a 6-digit code labeled Bybit. Copy this code and go back to the Bybit app. Tap Next, enter the 6-digit code into the field. Once confirmed, Google Authenticator setup is complete. Next, I'll show you how to add funds to your Bybit account. Bybit provides several different deposit options. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using an on-chain deposit. At the bottom right corner, tap Assets. Inside the account section, you'll see 2 different wallets. The funding wallet is used for deposits and withdrawals. The unified trading wallet is where trading takes place. To start the deposit process, choose the funding wallet first. Next, tap Deposit. From the available options, select Deposit Crypto. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In most cases, users go with USDT. Next, select the network for this deposit. For many users, the Tron network is the preferred choice. Once all selections are complete, a deposit address will appear automatically. Copy the deposit address shown on the screen. Now, open the exchange or wallet where your crypto is stored. There, tap either Send or Withdraw. Make sure to use the on-chain withdrawal option. Select the same cryptocurrency you chose on Bybit. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the address field. For the network, be sure it matches the one selected on Bybit. Enter the amount you want to send, then tap Withdraw to continue. After a short processing time, the funds will arrive in your Bybit funding wallet. Finally, let's take a closer look at how futures trading works on Bybit. Before placing any futures trades, you'll need to transfer your funds from the funding wallet to the unified trading wallet. Start by tapping Funding. From there, select Transfer to begin moving your funds. Set the transfer direction from funding account to unified trading account. Choose the coin you want to transfer. Enter the amount. Then tap Confirm. After a brief processing period, the funds will appear in your unified trading wallet. Now, let's head into the futures trading area. Tap Trade in the middle of the bottom menu. At the top, switch over to Futures. This will open the futures trading screen. First, tap the icon in the top left corner. Select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Next, choose your margin mode. In isolated mode, only the margin for that position is used. In cross mode, your full margin balance is shared. For most beginners, isolated mode is the safer option. Right beside that, tap here to set your leverage. On Bybit, leverage can be set up to 100x. While higher leverage can increase profits, it also comes with higher risk. If you're new to futures trading, lower leverage is much safer. Below this section, you can check your available margin. Tap here to select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price. A limit order is placed at a price you choose. Enter the order price and the amount. Below that, select your trade direction. Choose long if you expect the price to rise. Choose short if you think the price will fall. By tapping positions at the bottom, you can view all open trades. Here, you'll see the status of each position. Unrealized P&L shows your current profit or loss. The entry price is the price where you entered the trade. The mark price reflects the current reference market price. The leak price shows the price at which liquidation happens. To manage risk more effectively, tap Set TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit the position, tap Close By. You can choose to close with a market or a limit order. Enter the closing price and the quantity. Tap Confirm to finalize the order. The position will now be completely closed. In today's video, I walked you through how to sign up on Bybit using your phone, fund your account, and start futures trading step by step. Your likes and subscriptions truly mean a lot to me, and they help support the growth of this channel. Thank you so much for watching.